Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter or X on your Android device. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your profile right here at the top left, tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll down and find settings and support. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now once it loads, go ahead over to privacy and safety, tap on it. And once done, tap on content you see. Tap, and in here, let's go ahead and find search settings. Tap on it and make sure that you enable hide sensitive content. Okay. Once done, make sure that you enable remove blocked and muted accounts as well. Now go back, tap on sensitive media like so. Graphic violence, make sure that this is set to never show this. Okay. Go back, adult content, never show this as well. Go back, other, never show this as well. Okay, and once that's done, force close the app, reopen it once more, and you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.